Blue Jay's in the tree right there. She's so cute. She's making so much noise. You gonna show yourself, Missy? There she is. She's in there somewhere. Right in there. Hi. Good morning. I just saw my friend Josiah. He seen me talking to all the birds and feeding the squirrels and stuff. I'm like, oh, that's embarrassing. Yeah, you know, get in touch with nature. He's like, they were all waiting for you? I'm like, yep. Look it. Hi, Miss Blue Jay. I'm going in my neighbor's yard because you're too beautiful not to go in my neighbor's yard. Hi. Oh, don't hide from me, please. Up in the tree. Whoa. Oh. Hi, beautiful Blue Jay. Beautiful. There's another one. Squawk, squawk, squawk. I love them squawking. Yes. They're so pretty. Yes, they are. Huh. I put critter food there, but let me throw more bird seed over here.